All right, you guys, my man about to come in and check out his BMW M3 CS in the house. Let's check it out. Right, that is the word for this baby. So he got paint protection film on the high impact areas, the hood from upper side fenders, and of course on top of that carbon fiber roof. Ceramic coating. Take your time. Can you even see where that PPF is?
Can't even tell it's on there.
Nice.
That's amazing. It's the real deal right there.
You picked a nice one. You want to feel your paint? Feel your paint. How smooth that ceramic made everything. So it's going to be super easy to clean. So
Don't have
then,
to detail it as much now.
exactly. Once we're done, David's going to go over how easy everything's going to be for you to keep it clean, okay?
Perfect.
Yeah. I'm just checking it out. It's all
Rims are
good.
amazing, too.
Oh, yeah. Those are nice. Let me show you guys. Check out his rims. Check those out, you guys. So this baby is ready for the road, you guys. This is sweet. Check that out. He knew exactly what to do to protect his paint from getting additional rock chips. Again, we want to show off our paint protection film installation. Check that out. You approve, my man?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Amazing.
Thank you.